Hello everyone, I am Omar and this is a demo for our SEM4 mini project, Recipic. Before diving into this project, let's take a look at what problem it solves. A lot of us are not that good at cooking, including myself. Let's take this situation for example. You are alone at your home and you have a lot of food ingredients in your kitchen. But just because you don't know what to make from them, you end up ordering food online or eating out. You can't even search for recipes because you don't know what some of the ingredients are called. Now, what if you had a website that could tell you what to make just from a picture of the ingredients that you have? Well, look nowhere else. Recipic makes that possible. Just gather all the ingredients that you have, put them on a table, take a picture, and boom, you get a recipe specifically tailored for your ingredients. Enough talking, let's get into this project. So this is the generate recipe page, and this is a list of filters that you could add so that you could personalize your recipes. Let's say I want to have a dessert and I clicked a picture of a banana, so I'll upload that. Now this will first identify all the ingredients that are present in the image and then generate 4 recipes. Now each of these recipes will have a YouTube video attached so that we can follow along easily. Okay, so it identified the banana correctly and gave us 4 recipes. Banana bread, banana pancakes, banana foster, banana spread. Let's take another example. Suppose I want a main course, but with a picture that has a lot of ingredients in it. Let's see if it can identify all the ingredients correctly. I'll just open up that image side by side so that you can see if it has identified the ingredients correctly. So, okay, spinach, correct. Green onion, correct. Zucchini, correct. Avocados, yep, got it right. Onion, eggs, garlic, and bread. So it identified the ingredients correctly and also gave us 4 tasty recipes. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.